Today we have to discuss the advantages and disadvantages of thermal power plant. The Firstly we have to discuss advantages of thermal power plant. The first advantage of thermal power plant is the fuel use is quite cheap. Means the cost of fuel is very less as compared to other power plants such as nuclear power plant. In case of nuclear power plant, there is a requirement of uranium and thorium. The cost of uranium and thorium fuel is more compared to the coal because of in thermal power plant the main fuel is coal, so cost of coal is less compared to the uranium and thorium. Then the next advantage of thermal power plant is less initial cost as compared to other generating station. We have to compare the power plant compared to the hydropower plant. In case of hydropower plant, there is a water storage, therefore the construction cost of dam is more. But in case of thermal power plant, there is a no such a type of construction is there. Therefore, the initial cost of thermal power plant is less compared to hydropower plant than nuclear power plant also, because in case of nuclear power plant there is a uranium and thorium. Uranium and thorium is a radioactive element. The fission process is done in boiler. So reactor core. So cost of reactor core is more compared to the thermal power boiler. So initial cost of thermal power plant is less compared to the nuclear power plant or hydropower plant. Then next advantage is it can be installed at any place with respect to the extension of coal. The coal can be transported to the site of the plant by rail or railways. जर आपण थर्मल पॉवर प्लांट कुठे पण इन्स्टॉल करू शकतो, तर का जर आपण आपल्या नाशिक मधलं जर उदाहरण जर घेतलं, एक्झाम्पल जर घेतलं, डहाणू आपला एकलारा पॉवर प्लांट मध्ये आपण थर्मल कोळशापासून वीज निर्मिती करत असतो आणि त्याला लागणारा जो काही कोल आहे, जो काही फ्युएल आहे, तो आपण खानदेशमधून आपण ट्रान्सपोर्ट करत असतो बाय युजिंग रेल्वे. देअरफॉर म्हणजे त्या साईटवरती जिथे आपण प्लांट इन्स्टॉल करणार तिथे जवळपास आपल्याला सोर्स अवेलेबल पाहिजे असं काही नाही. आपण जो काही रॉ मटेरियल आहे किंवा जे फ्युएल आहे ते आपण ट्रान्सपोर्ट करू शकतो बाय युजिंग रेल्वे ऑर रोडवेज. Then it requires less space as compared to the hydroelectric power station. In case of thermal power plant, the space required is less compared to the hydroelectric power plant. In case of hydroelectric power plant, there is a storage of water, lot of land is required to construct the dam. But in case of thermal power plant, there is a only boiler, then turbine, then alternator. So the land required or space required is less compared to the hydropower. The last advantage is the cost of generation is lesser than that the diesel power station. Means in case of diesel power plant, the efficiency of diesel power plant is less compared to the thermal power plant. Therefore, the cost of generation is less compared to the diesel power plant. Then the disadvantage of thermal power plant, it populates the atmosphere due to producing large amount of smoke and furnace foams. In case of thermal power plant, there is a burning of coal, and after that the ash or gases form of ash is disposed to the atmosphere through a chimney. That ash gases from ash or solid ash pollute the air. So pollution is more in case of thermal power plant. Higher maintenance cost and operational cost. In case of thermal power plant, there is a boiler, then heat exchanger, then steam turbine, then alternator. The maintenance and repairing is more in case of thermal power plant. Huge requirement of water. Whenever we have to generate the heat by using coal, that heat we have to convert into the steam. Therefore, we have to require large amount of water to generate the steam.